Think before you click.
Always think before you click. For every click can ruin your life or others in just a click. A strong message of an internet safety campaign designed to protect teenagers from overexposing themselves on social networking sites.
Here are some tips on how we can protect ourselves in social media. First, always use the strongest privacy you can. Second, think about what you post before you post it. Third, be suspicious and do not click links or attachments unless 100% sure. And lastly, number 4, if you accidentally click on links, switch your computer off and plug it out and let its service know.
Remember, you can be prosecuted if you commit a crime through cybercrime.
Always remember, number 1, be smart. Don't post or send anything you would be embarrassed for certain others to see. Number 2, be responsible. Keep your profile set to private as a general rule of thumb. It is good practice to keep your social media profiles and accounts set to private.
Be selective with your friend requests. People you meet online are not always who they claim to be. They may not even be real. Always remember to stop and process how other people would tell about what you are about to comment or post.
Double check any links before you click. How would others think or feel? Know what you're sharing. Before sharing a news article, infographic, or memes, make sure to see who is publishing it and if there's a legit source. User and as a human, understand the significance of protecting your privacy both as an information personal key.